What if I told you your immune system isn't broken? It's just doing its job, maybe too well. Over 50 million Americans are being told their body is attacking itself. But maybe the problem isn't the immune system. Maybe the real issue starts in the gut. Let's talk about the autoimmune epidemic and why the current medical model has it all wrong. Hi, I'm Dr. George Springer, author of The Gut Connection. And for over 45 years, I've helped people get to the root of their chronic illness, not just suppress symptoms. And when it comes to autoimmune disease, what I've seen time and time again is this. It's not an immune system gone rogue. It's a body that's overwhelmed, inflamed, and trying desperately to defend itself. This video series is about finding out why this happens and what you can do to heal. Let's start with the big picture. There are now over 80 different recognized autoimmune diseases, and that number keeps climbing. From lupus and rheumatoid arthritis to Hashimoto's, MS, Crohn's, and ulcerative colitis, these conditions affect more than 50 million people in the US alone, and they're striking both young and old. But what's even more troubling is that many people suffer for years without a diagnosis. Why? Because conventional medicine still treats autoimmune conditions like a mystery, an unsolvable puzzle. You'll often hear doctors say, "We don't know why the immune system starts attacking healthy tissue." But here's where I believe the model starts to fall apart. They assume it's a misfire, like the immune system suddenly forgot how to do its job. But what if it didn't misfire? What if it's firing exactly how it was designed to in response to something deeper, ongoing, and often invisible? We're very good at labeling autoimmune conditions based on the body part under attack. If it's the joints, it's rheumatoid arthritis or lupus. If it's the nervous system, it's MS or myasthenia gravis. The digestive tract, Crohn's or ulcerative colitis. The blood vessels, vasculitis. The muscles, myositis. But naming it doesn't fix it. It just tells you where the fire is burning, not why it started. So what's the standard treatment? Suppress the immune system with prescription drugs. Conventional medicine turns to powerful drugs called biologics, which sounds gentler than immune suppressants, doesn't it? But make no mistake, these drugs shut down the very system that's trying to protect you. And they don't come cheap. Autoimmune disease treatment now costs over $100 billion a year in the US, and that might even be an underestimate. In 2022 alone, the treatment of MS exceeded $85 billion, and that is just one autoimmune condition. Meanwhile, researchers are still chasing it, the microbe, the gene, the cell that explains everything, because if they can find it, they can make the next drug to control it. But here's the truth that no one wants to say out loud. Chronic disease is not an it, it's a they. Autoimmune conditions are multifactorial, driven by multiple overlapping root causes that keep the immune system in a state of high alert. And guess what plays a central role in nearly all of them? The gut. In this series, we're going to dig into the underlying causes of autoimmune disease, from gut dysfunction and inflammation to toxic burden, nutrient imbalances, chronic stress, and more. You'll learn why your immune system is reacting and what you can do to restore balance without shutting it down. If this video sparked something for you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs answers. In the next video, we'll uncover how the gut becomes ground zero for immune system chaos, and how your microbiome, food sensitivities, and leaky gut can be the real culprits behind autoimmune flares. Want to start healing your gut today? Check the links in the description below. See you in the next video.